Good morning, everybody. It's a Monday. It's no shit November, if you can tell.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's about right here.
Half an inch at least.
Yeah. When it's cold like today, it's, yeah. Look at that beard, looking all nasty. Don't get close. Yours is a full-blown goatee, like a goat, like an orange goat. What we're doing today, ladies and gentlemen, can we get Reno to talk about this for a minute? The inspector, so we did this job. It was terrible. It was literally, the whole street should be redone. The percentages and the pitches and everything was off. Everything was off. So the inspector didn't really care. He said, it'll be fine. Anyways, we told him that the curb or the asphalt, this was gonna happen. Look at this. The curb was buried in the asphalt. And we told him it was gonna happen. He said no, it won't. And now we're here fixing his mistake. So
the whole driveway, it's over.
It don't matter to us because we get paid to do double. Now we're getting paid to do double the work. So all I gotta do is come and saw cut this out, zip it, pull the curb out, replace it. We're gonna get good money for the curb. So we're not really complaining about it. But we knew this was gonna happen. So see how the curb down there? That's how it should look.
Right there. Normal curve.
This is how it looks now. Because I don't want to listen. So we don't know what we're talking about. Let's go find Reno. Reno! Oh, you got George, you got the inspector, you got Reno. Messing around. Haven't cleaned it in probably, I don't know, 3 weeks. For almost probably a month.
She's looking a little dirty.
To be honest with you. If it's not dirty, you're not cutting, you know what I'm saying? By the way, platinum cutting should be, we'll talk about that in the next few videos. That's it. How you doing this morning?
How you doing? Couldn't ask for better weather, could
Exactly.
That's what I'm just saying, like, it's feel good out here.
That's what I'm talking about.
51 degrees.
Oh yeah.
Ask for better weather.
We got sunshine. Feels
That's
good.
all I need, no snow, I don't care.
There we go. So give us some details on the saw.
Okay, so the 2019 Husqvarna FS 7000D. Yes, D. It's a Duets 4-cylinder. It's the best saw you can buy. The reason I bought it was I had a big job to do. And my old Target wouldn't really work for it, you know. I started cutting, couldn't keep up, man. Literally, I got this like $25,000 job, biggest job I got for saw cutting yet. Starting to cut it, just started it. 5 feet in ink, thing just breaks. And I'm like, dude, no way I'm doing this. When I flipped the Subaru that day. I had like a bunch of cash in my room. I was like, listen, here's a deposit Ron at Ace Cutting. We'll show you guys Ace Cutting. Ace Cutting is a sweet place. If you're in Michigan or local Detroit area, if you need saw cutting or just tools for construction in general, go to Ace Cutting in Novi. They're sweet. We'll hook you up. We went there, got a brand new saw. I needed it for the job I had. Don't buy equipment unless you have the job to pay it off for. That's what I did. I pretty much paid it off in one job. 30-inch diamond blades. You know, they have blades made for everything. Like, show this real quick. So this blade, this is a green cut blade. You can, it's when the concrete looks green. It's still kind of wet. It's still curing. Well, green concrete is fresh concrete. It's just a term. We usually green cut about the next day or the next day and a half, depending on what kind of mix design it has. 2 days later, you don't go too long. You wait too long like crap. Depending on the mix design. Sometimes you gotta wait a couple days, and days you want to cut that same day. It just depends on what the concrete is. On the freeways, they'll cut the same day. My buddy for Ajax, they pour it at 7 in the morning, they'll cut it at 8 o'clock at night. You have a bunch of chloride and their mix design. I don't know what their mix design is, but it's definitely different than what we use. Can you see the diamonds on that far away?
Yeah, buddy.
All right, so this blade right here, this is a 14-inch blade, and it's about $800. That blade, the 30-inch blade, it's about like $930, I'd say, for one blade. Difference, right? Well, these have like 4 times the amount of diamonds in them, and no, they're not diamonds you put in your finger. They're rough cut, so you basically won't chip anything when you're cutting, and it cuts real smooth. Sometimes you don't have every tool of the job. I don't feel like. Listen, you know what? Everyone does their own thing, their own way. All right. Not saying this is the proper way at all.
She's setting up the line to cut 18 inches from the back of the curb.
But
then we're gonna rip it.
Outside the box sometimes. If you can think outside the box, go buy the Reno or something.
What do we got going today?
No, read me. I'm playing on my phone. I had to go to the machine all day today. Leave me alone. But I already get my butt cracked. I know you're getting that. Damn it. Listen, guys, it's a process. It's just me and him making these, really. It's actually just him, to be honest. He's making the video. I'm just talking like an idiot and doing half decent work. No, I'm just playing. So right now, if you guys like the style of video, make sure you give us a like and hit the notification bell too, subscribe. But it helps out. We're trying to grow. We're also, like I said last episode, we're still in the works of getting some t-shirts done. By the next episode, we should have them. So I'm saying that now, so we actually do it. Real quick, if anybody knows how to do any designing, hit me up on my Snapchat or Instagram or comment. I'd like to do business with you guys. Anyways, as you see here, once again, there's no curb anywhere. Inspectors didn't want to listen. Like we told them, it's gonna happen. Perfect example. Yeah. I said, hey man, you gotta take this approach out. The approach is low. No, it's not. Okay. The trip hazard, man.
3 or 4 inches. It's like 4.
It's a trip hazard. Comments, I can't believe they're not using steel. Trust me, dude. They don't have the money for it. They don't have money for anything. They don't want to use grades. They don't care. They're not even patching the road that needs a full reconstruction. Anyways, we lost Reno. I don't know where we're going. I'm still soft cutting. Kind of going real slow right now, to be honest with you. Real simple, slow work. We're starting the series kind of at a bad time. It's the end of the season, and we're kind of just doing like not even everyone's working. It's only like not even half of our guys are working. Next spring season, like videos, pretty wild. We'll probably have to slow down on the construction videos and just bring back some of the truck, and we'll come up with a new series. Maybe just vlogs for now, more high quality vlogs.
I'm rocking an 85mm lens.
The lens, we understand, is zoomed in. We need to make some t-shirts, we make some money so the channel can get some more things. But right now,
we're making it work.
We're making it work. Just don't complain. We're working. It's a process. If you guys watch the first video, you're like, hey man, the lens is too zoomed in. I can't hear shit. It's like, listen man, it's a process. You probably still can't hear shit. We're gonna get some probably mics and whatnot. It's a process, man. Like, comment, subscribe, say what's up. Talk some shit if you want. It's okay. Well, we are millennials, but we're not like the typical, you know. Oh, you hurt my feelings, Steve. Don't
we're
say
not gonna
that.
cry over it.
Don't say that, man.
Let us know your honest opinion. Give it to us.
Opinion's good. Constructive criticism. You can't take what people can say, then you should get the hell out.